Hello, you're welcome to Educare Parent portal. I'll be guiding you on how to access and view your child's assignments. On your dashboard, select a child to view details. Click on Subjects. Read through the instructions and then scroll down. A list of subjects containing subject names, subject teacher, assignment or learning focus, curriculum, and lesson plan will be seen. Identify the particular subject whose assignment you want to view and click View under Assignments. Download the assignment as seen on the screen. Open the downloaded file and do assignments. When assignment is done, you click on Submit. Select the particular file and click on Submit again. The teacher will automatically be notified upon submission.